I need a stallion, needs to be on Megan. I need a SZA, cut her like paper. I need a cougar, waist at the taper. Yeah. I need a Georgia, need a Janae. I need Normani to come to my place. I want a Doja, cake by the pound. I need a Lizzo to put that shit down. I need a Ari, let me serenade. Walking out of summer, so far.
What's up, True Beauty fam, and welcome back to my channel. So today we are doing a hair video, which we haven't done in a hot little minute. So today the hair we are featuring is from Lemoda hair. This video is not sponsored, by the way, but in the package you get a pair of lashes, which I was showing to you right there. I was trying to figure out my camera angles and stuff. And it comes with a pack of wig caps. These weren't my color, but I used them and just put my bronzer on top of it so that it would match my skin tone. And you also get your wig. I ordered a curly 13x6 22-inch wig. The wig is 150 density. And yeah, that's pretty much it. This is me just showing y'all the wig. In the plastic bag that it got sent in the box. And here is me showing y'all the curl pattern. I turned my flashlight on so it would be easier to see, being that I got up early to film this video this morning, so yeah. Now here is the wig construction. You get 3 combs in the front, I guess, and then 1 comb in the back. It also comes with adjustable straps, and yeah. Okay, y'all, so let's get into this coloring process. Okay, so first I'm starting off with the Quick Blue bleach and 30 volume developer. I ended up running out of bleach in the middle of this, because when do I not run out of bleach? But I ended up running out of bleach in the middle of doing this, so I had to run out and go get some BW2, which is what I use to finish bleaching the hair. And I just bleached it to a kind of brownish blonde color, because I didn't want the hair like too light, being that I was going for this darker auburny kind of burnt red color, like reddish brown color. So yeah. So this is the color that I was telling y'all that I bleached it to, and it's nothing too light. It's kind of similar to the color that we got. Well, the light is making it look similar to the color we got after, but I promise y'all this is the color that I bleached it to. And yeah, that's it. Okay, y'all, so for the colors that you will be needing, you will be needing orange blaze, mahogany, cinnamon, and paprika. Ha! I remembered. Now, before I dunked my wig into the water to color it, I did go ahead and spray it with some Got2b spray, just in case it turned the lace red/reddish brown. I just wanted to be on the safe side, but it didn't do anything to my lace. My lace came out fine. So yeah, it's completely up to you if you want to use Got2b spray, if you want to put Vaseline on it, just as a safety measure, because you don't want to have red lace. That's not really a good look. Also not the look that we're going for. So yeah, it's completely up to you what you want to use to protect your lace. I also decided to go back in and add a little bit of magenta just so it could pull a little more red, because it was pulling more orange and I didn't want it to be really orange. I wanted it to be more on the reddish side instead of the orange side. So I did add a little magenta, and I didn't show this, but at the end I did go in and mix together cinnamon and mahogany just to give it more of a brown tone, because it was pulling really, really red, and it kind of looked similar to another wig that I want to do on here, and for that purpose I made it a little more brown, because I wasn't fully satisfied. I was happy with the color, but I wasn't fully satisfied. And then when I added that brown on top, girl, it hit different. It just did. So yeah, I will shut up and let y'all just watch the rest of the video. me just take a moment to appreciate the plucking though, because I'm still a beginner at this. I'm still new to everything wigs. My sister is who does the wig thing, and I'm trying to learn. I'm doing my best, and I was really proud of myself because I've never plucked this good. It was almost on the level of my sister. Not there yet, but it was still really good. This is like, I think, my 3rd time plucking or my 4th time plucking. So yeah, practice makes perfect. So here's me just showing y'all the wig after plucking, and I did hot comb the front of the hair just to push the hair back and give it the kind of look that I was going for. And yeah, that's it. Y'all, in the sun, my hair was definitely pulling more red, but I promise y'all it's reddish brown. I promise y'all. But either way, it was still beautiful nonetheless, and I hope y'all enjoyed today's video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Comment what other colors you want to see me try and do, and I will see you on the next one. Bye!